Explain that to us.
After all been said and done, you know, been free to treat a couple of weeks ago, and me and her right same age, the worst of his land. So I just want to show my talent and entertain my right. It's not about the war, we change my mind. I'm not going to know why, so just I got to enjoy myself. I'm at the crowd feel good.
How are you feeling now?
Beautiful, excellent. We don't know if I explain myself. I get butterflies. You know, I have a look at it. I just want to go and let out the crazy.
Is this one of your wedding dresses?
Yes, this was my second one.
The second one?
Yes, so this was the traditional one.
Okay, alright.
So I just said, the fact that my husband and you, why not go and change up the place different? But after all, I'm a queen, so look, my presentation have a lot to do with it.
And you're definitely looking very young, we have to say that.
Thank you.
So you say when you go on stage, you will be all over?
Yes, I will just make the best of it and it's going to be natural, so the same amount we say no, say yes. So
Crazy!
never lazy. Who knows? Let's take it to the sting. Sting. Bees, wasps. You get this? Yes.
And more queen in the day.
Yeah, come for me if you want. Listen, just come for me if you want. That's okay. Goody, let me tell you something. They has no talent. This is a big old woman. Queen is a big old woman. I take a young boy, you know. And I try a thing. And the boy get enough trouble to and cheat on her too, you know. And every day she have a man problem with the boy because she too old. The boy want young crutches and steam, like steam fish. You understand? Okra, spice of steam fish, okra body. You understand me? And she just try hang on to that. And she go into Great Depression because she having so much problem just to hold on to that. But she really think that she's a queen of the England. Even Queen of the England died, but she still think that she's a queen. And I mean, queen and gangster queen, they call it a queenie in the name of queen. But that doesn't mean you're a real queen. But when they say that you have to answer to England if something happened to you, then you sound like a real queen of England. So like you're more importance, of importance. But what I'm saying to you, has no talent. It's stop saying that Jamaican people are good and are dirty people and of course your own people and because of them bring you where you are with your foolishness. And because they watch the foolishness, why they get to know you and they give you love. Even somebody never told like and we do, they still because they're a human being and we're all human beings. But now you take it to act like you're this big Hollywood star, you know, and you're greater than everybody. You're not greater than nobody. If my tear a piece of dirty cloth off your head, you wouldn't get that much view when people say, all right, you act, you know, it's actually act better because of thing. You know what I'm saying? But you have talent, Queenie. You has no talent. I'm telling you right now, you don't have no talent. You can't sing. You have like a piece of teeth in my bush up and you cut out in your button. You know my belly button. You want piece of soap like belly button cut out. And trust me, you such you have like a stacking, you know that hat. You know that at a tall. Come again for my clothes right now, I have no stacking or nothing. You know that at a tall. So what I'm saying, you're not hot, you're old, you're cold, you know what I mean? You're lonely, even though you have a husband, and you don't have a talent, and you didn't win that thing, you don't win nothing. Go and pray to God and ask God to take off them dopey off of your ride and make a ball whole day for your life, because all of this come up on life and ball every day, and your life is very sad, you're not happy, you're not enjoying life. So Queen, you have no talent. I'm sorry I have to do this to you. I'm sorry I have to tell the truth because I love you, and sometimes your friends don't want to tell the truth because you're friends, you know, and I don't know if that ever happened to you, like, you're friends with somebody, right, Goody, and it's like, you don't want to tell them the truth, you know, but it's 2023, you have to be honest because at least a person could do something different, you know, instead of lying to them, you know, and letting them believe something that is not. I feel like
Hey, man, it's running with you.
Hello, Marty.